Hey, I'm Thomas with Talent Heating and Air Conditioning. We're doing an install at this beautiful house in downtown Huntsville today. It's October 1st, so that means it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And we're donating a portion of proceeds from every install to breast cancer research. Breast cancer awareness is a very important thing to us and our families. It's affected a lot of people. And if we can combine that with what we know how to do, we're not doctors, we're not scientists, but if we can help out by donating a part of our proceeds, we're excited to help, and we look forward to this month being extremely profitable for breast cancer awareness.